Good evening, guys. So, here we are with the topic that is lead acid battery safety precautions. This is many times asked for 5 marks, and you should know that the lead acid battery is nothing but having many chemical active components in it. Like it's having the positive plate made up of lead peroxide and negative plate made up of spongy lead. The basic thing which is more active is the electrolyte. The electrolyte is the solution of H2SO4 in 35% and water in 65%. What happens is whenever the battery is under normal operating conditions, the lead acid battery may have the water evaporation. And during charging, lead acid batteries will produce the hydrogen and oxygen gases as the electrolysis process occurs. So, there are some cases the lead acid battery explosion has occurred. This is because if the proper maintenance and some safety precautions are not carried out, if the electrolyte level is really low in the lead acid battery, that is, the electrolyte level is less than plate levels, then the oxygen and hydrogen gases will accumulate more and more, and that may get ignited and the spark will occur, and hence the lead acid batteries may explode. So, in order to overcome such problems, we need to follow some safety precaution steps. The first thing which we can say is store and recharge the lead acid batteries in well ventilated area away from sparks and some open flames. Always keep the lead acid batteries away from the sparks, because the chemicals which are present in the lead acid battery will catch the fire as soon as possible. And lead acid batteries that are damaged in properly labeled lead acid resistance secondary containment structure should be provided. That is, if the lead acid batteries are getting damaged at some of the other corners, then we should provide the proper container to the lead acid batteries so that there should not be any leakage of the electrolyte. And always wear the acid resistance goggles and some face shields and gloves, and some available aprons when recharging or handling the lead acid batteries, as it carries the acid or electrolyte which is very much dangerous to the if it falls on the skin, or especially if it goes into eyes, it may cause severe damage. So therefore always wear the goggles or gloves or aprons whenever you're handling the lead acid batteries. And always keep the lead acid battery vent caps securely in the place, because the vent caps allows the hydrogen and oxygen gases to escape from the sealed container. And flush eyes immediately with the water for 15 minutes, and then seek for the medical attention if the lead acid battery's acid goes into eyes. And rinse the affected area. If the large amount of acid falls on your skin, then rinse it with the water, and again seek for the medical attention. One more thing, never overcharge the lead acid battery, because the and one more lead acid battery should never be overcharged, and never fill the lead acid batteries with more than the indicated level with the distilled water. And always locate emergency eye wash stations close to the lead acid battery storage and charging areas, so that the first aid should be provided immediately. And post flammable no smoking sign in lead acid storage and charging areas. And you should always keep the battery terminals under clean and covered conditions, and you can clean the battery terminals with the help of Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Next, always the battery should not be kept in the discharged condition for the longer time, and battery should not be discharged at higher than the rate specified by the manufacturer. That is, it should not be overcharged. And the level of electrolyte should always be kept 2 centimeters above the level of plates by adding distilled water. This will make up loss of electrolyte by evaporation. Always you should add up distilled water, so the electrolyte level is about 2 centimeter of plate levels. And while charging the battery, vent plug should be kept open to avoid the building up of gas pressure. If the gas pressure is no, the vent plugs will maintain the gas pressure. If the vent plugs are closed when it is charging, and then the over oxygen and hydrogen gas levels will be built up in the battery and that may explode. So therefore, it should always be kept open. And never bring the flame near the batteries when it is under charging conditions. And acid and corrosion on the battery top should be cleaned with hot water or cloth. So these are some steps or precautionary measures to be followed for the lead acid battery maintenance. So there are some applications of these lead acid battery. These lead acid batteries are used for UPS system, that is to give the uninterrupted power supply in many of the commercial as well as in domestic applications, and these are used in solar power plants, also in wind power stations for lightning as well as for supplying the peak loads and for excitation purposes. Then in solar power plant to store the energy. And in the telecom system, these are used for the purpose of telephone exchange as the power source and in the wireless setups. Also, these are used for broadcasting stations for power supply. These are also used in the emergency lighting systems and in the diesel generating stations for starting purpose. These are used in most of the electrical vehicles as well as in the automobiles for lighting and starting the automobiles, and in electrical vehicles for power storing as well as for the working of it. These are also used in the medical equipments. Still, there are countless applications of lead acid batteries are there to be noted down.